Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet round motif and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Let's start. I will use Alize cream yarn and hook number 3mm as shown now to make that motif. I will start round 1. I will make 5 chains as shown now. Then close them with a slip stitch to make a ring. Then I will make a chain and make single crochet 9 times inside that ring as shown now. Then close with a slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. I finished round 1. I will start round 2. I will make 6 chains as shown now. Then I will make double crochet into next stitch. And make 3 chains. And make double crochet again into next stitch and repeat with same sequences across that row, then close with slip stitch to close the round 2. I will make it and I will come back. I finished round 2. Then I will start round 3. I will make slip stitch into first stitch and make a chain, then make single crochet into the next as shown now and make 2 chains, then make single crochet into next 2 stitches as shown now. Then I'll skip next double crochet, then make single crochet into the next 2 stitches again, and make 2 chains and repeat with same sequences across that row, then close with a slip stitch to close round 3. I will make it and I'll come back. I finished round 3, then I will start round 4. I will make slip stitch into next 3 stitches as shown now. That is first slip stitch, and that is second slip stitch, and that is third slip stitch as shown now. Then I will make 7 chains, and make slip stitch into next space. Then repeat with same sequences across that row, then close with a slip stitch to close round 4. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 4 with the shape. Then I will start round 5. I will make slip stitch into next 3 stitches as shown now. That is second slip stitch, and that is third slip stitch. Then I will make 5 chains, and I will make slip stitch into next 7 stitches as shown now with the shape. Then I will repeat with same sequences across that row, so I will make 5 chains again and make slip stitch into next 7 stitches and repeat with same sequences across that row, then close with slip stitch to close round 5. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will cut the yarn. I finished that motif with that shape, and I hope to admire you. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible.